Mastering persuasion isn't simply about selling an idea, it's about crafting an experience that resonates with others and nurtures their understanding. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to recognize the transformational power of authenticity. When you communicate with honesty and depth, your audience will likely resonate with your words on a personal level, fostering an environment where ideas can flourish freely. By remaining true to yourself and embracing vulnerability, you invite others to do the same, breaking down barriers that often inhibit genuine dialogue. Additionally, reflecting on your own motivations and intentions can help ensure that your persuasive techniques remain aligned with your values. As you cultivate this authenticity, consider how your body language plays a critical role in your communication. Non-verbal cues often convey emotions more powerfully than words alone, influencing how your message is received. Maintaining eye contact, adopting an open posture, and using gestures that emphasize your points can create a welcoming and engaging atmosphere. Furthermore, being mindful of the tone and pace of your speech allows your audience to absorb your message effectively. A well-paced delivery gives listeners the chance to reflect on your ideas. This synergy between verbal and nonverbal communication serves to reinforce your persuasive efforts, establishing a genuine connection that captivates and inspires action. As you delve deeper into the nuances of persuasive communication, remember the importance of active listening. Engaging in conversation means more than just presenting your ideas. It requires a commitment to understanding the perspectives of others. When you genuinely listen, not only do you gain valuable insights into their thoughts and feelings, but you also demonstrate respect and empathy. This attentive approach encourages a two-way dialogue that can lead to richer discussions and a better alignment of goals. As you embrace this journey of persuasion, exploring the interplay between words and emotions is vital. It's about fostering a genuine atmosphere where dialogues unfold naturally. Recognizing the significance of empathy allows you to connect with your audience at a profound level, ultimately clarifying shared goals and igniting collaboration. Each conversation becomes a bridge to understanding, allowing you to navigate differing viewpoints and create inclusive spaces where not just concepts but hearts and minds unite toward common aspirations. As you continue this exploration of effective persuasion, embrace the transformative potential of emotional storytelling. When you share personal anecdotes or relatable narratives, you invite your audience into your world, fostering an emotional connection that resonates deeply. By tapping into shared experiences and universal themes, each story becomes a vessel for conveying complex ideas while simultaneously evoking empathy. This dynamic exchange enhances your persuasive power, allowing the audience to internalize your message as their own, igniting inspiration and prompting action. Additionally, consider the value of adapting your narratives to align with the specific values and experiences of your audience. Tailoring your storytelling is essential for forging authentic connections that linger long after your conversation ends. As you practice the art of persuasion, it's crucial to remember the power of questions. Thoughtful inquiries can open doors to deeper understanding and engagement, guiding your conversation towards shared insights. By asking open-ended questions, you invite others to express their views, fostering a collaborative dialogue that honors their perspectives. This approach not only demonstrates your interest in what they have to say, but also creates a space for exploration, where ideas can evolve organically. Moreover, responding to their answers with curiosity and respect reinforces a culture of mutual learning, allowing all parties to contribute to the narrative being built together. Ultimately, this exchange enriches your persuasive journey, instilling a sense of shared purpose and camaraderie. A key component of effective persuasion lies in the balance between content and delivery. You must master the art of framing your messages in ways that resonate with your audience's core beliefs and values. By emphasizing commonalities, you evoke a sense of belonging and trust, which forms the foundation of meaningful connections. This approach encourages open dialogue and fosters a collaborative spirit, allowing individuals to feel empowered to share their thoughts and ideas without hesitation. As you refine your delivery style, embrace the notion of being adaptable. This flexibility is essential in navigating the diverse reactions and responses you may encounter during conversations. As you strive for mastery and persuasion, remember that the journey is as important as the destination. Each interaction is an opportunity for growth, not only in your skills but also in your understanding of others. Embrace feedback, celebrate successes, and learn from challenges. For this ongoing evolution will enrich your ability to communicate effectively and ethically. By cultivating a mindset of continuous improvement and genuine engagement, you lay the foundation for relationships characterized by trust and collaboration, leading to more significant impact in both your personal and professional endeavors. The art of persuasion is indeed a lifelong pursuit, rewarding those who remain committed to making meaningful connections with others. In addition, the element of adaptability plays a vital role in how effectively you can engage others. Tailoring your methods in response to the feedback you receive is essential. It demonstrates that you are not only listening, but also valuing their input. This responsiveness fosters an environment where all voices are acknowledged, allowing for constructive exchanges that can lead to new insights and solutions. As you notice the needs and reactions of your audience, utilizing this awareness allows you to refine your approach, ensuring it aligns with the flow of conversation and the unique dynamics at play. Ultimately, being attuned to these shifts creates deeper connections, enhancing your overall persuasive capability, and establishing meaningful relationships built on understanding and respect. As you continue to hone your persuasive abilities, keep in mind the broader context of your interactions. Recognizing the emotional landscape of those around you can inform your approach and help cultivate a harmonious exchange. This awareness fosters a deeper understanding of how your message might be interpreted, leading to more fruitful dialogues. By prioritizing empathy and adaptability, you create an environment where collaboration flourishes and all voices are valued, ultimately strengthening the bonds that lead to authentic and meaningful connections. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind. By embracing the principles of effective persuasion, you not only enhance your own communication skills, but also contribute to a culture of collaboration and respect that enriches every interaction. Ultimately, this journey leads to lasting connections and a deeper understanding of each other's motivations and aspirations.